Every once in a while, when I go to work with a client using a tool called GoToAssist, sometimes things just don't work the way they're designed to work. Sometimes that's because you have previously used GoToAssist maybe with another technician, and what my experience has been is that sometimes you have to remove the software, restart your computer, and then try the login process again. So if you don't know how to remove the software, let me show you how to do that. Down in the search bar, if you don't know how to get there, you're going to get to your control panel. So I'm just going to type in control, and as I do that, you'll see up top, control panel is right there. I'm going to click on that. Now, once we get inside the control panel, you might have large or small icons, depending on how this is set up. But in this case, I am going to come and click on Programs and Features. Once I get into Programs and Features, I'm going to look for GoToAssist. And you'll notice down here, there's a couple of them. Now, I have some different software on my computer, but when you have GoToAssist Customer, that's what you're going to remove. So it might be either one of these three, but all you do is right-click on it and click on Uninstall. You can also click on it and click Uninstall up here. So you want to remove the GoToAssist Customer. After you do that, reboot your computer and try to log in again. It's really just that simple. Hey, thank you very much. Good luck with this, and if you have any questions, give me a call.